Are you opposed to me sending you over a little video or a little something about how your people could close business a little bit more effectively? Right? Now listen to, oh yeah, that would be great. Perfect, Jason. What's the best email? I'll send something over your way. Or what if Jason says, well, you know, we just don't need sales coaching, Matt. It makes perfect sense, Jason. And honestly, where we're at and kind of my knowledge of your situation, I'm not even sure if we could help you. Would it make sense if I sent you over a little something around closing? And that way you could take a look when you have some time, and if it makes sense for us to get back together, we can kind of decide that at that point. Versus, you know, hey, we're all set, we don't need sales coaching. Well, you know what, Jason, I disagree with you on that one respectfully, but if I could just have 5 minutes of your time, I'd like to show you how our clients are seeing anywhere from 700% increase in their closed deals to 1,000, 10x more sales, which by the way, if you guys were on the call yesterday, some of you were, Drew from Delicious, they're now at a 10x. They're actually there. How many people have I called and said, and I have Drew on recording saying that, yo, if you could give me 5 minutes of your time, I'll show you how you can 10x your sales. 0. Because what do I sound like when I do that? And I'm curious to get your guys' opinion on this. Has anybody worked on, and I know it's tough, but has anybody tried to focus and work on slowing your speech down, dropping the enthusiasm, and being more like a doctor?